Today we'll discuss alcoholism and drug addiction. Hey, this is Neha and you are watching Physio Sinha. Our today's topic is alcoholism and drug addiction. So here, first we will discuss about drug. What is drug? A drug is a substance other than food which when consumed produces changes in the physical or mental functioning of the individual. According to WHO, drug is defined as any substance that, when taken into living organism, may modify one or more of its functions. Next we will see the term what is drug use. Drug use is taking a drug for medical purpose like treating an illness or to relieve pain or tension or protecting the body against the disease. Our next term is drug abuse. Drug abuse is taking the drug for the reasons other than the medical reasons in amount, strength, frequency, and manner that damages the social, physical, and mental functions and results in harm. The next term is drug addiction. Drug addiction is the result of drug abuse, which produces both dependence and tolerance. The next term is drug dependence. Drug dependence is described as a state, psychic, and sometimes also physical, resulting from the interaction between a living organism and a drug. Drug dependence is characterized by a response that always make a compulsion to take the drug continuously or periodically to experience its psychic effects and often to avoid the discomfort of its absence. Drug dependence can occur for more than one drug. Drug dependence are of two types. First is physical and the second is psychological. First we will see what is physical dependence of drug. This state occurs when the user's body becomes accustomed to the particular drug and he or she requires the drug in increasing doses over a time for normal functioning or to obtain the same results as earlier. This dependence is because of the development of tolerance to the drug. Tolerance means requiring more and more of a drug to get the same effects. Here we will see a term that is withdrawal symptom. It is abrupt stopping of the drug results in a variety of adverse effects known as withdrawal symptoms such as cramps, tremors, pain in abdomen, sweating, depression and etc. Next we will see the psychological dependence of drug. This state occurs when a drug is so central to a person's thoughts, emotions and activities that is extremely difficult to stop using it or even stop thinking about it. Psychological dependence is marked by an intense craving for the drug. Next we will see addiction as a disease. In the year 1956, addiction was declared as a disease by the American Medical Association. It is a disease which can be treated and arrested. The characteristic features of the disease are: first, it is a primary disease. It means it is not a symptom of a psychological disorder but a disease. It can cause mental, emotional, and psychological problems. These problems cannot be treated unless addiction is treated first. Second is it is a permanent disease. In this, it cannot be cured but successfully can be arrested. Third one is it is a progressive disease. In this, the disease invariably follows a course of serious deterioration over a period of time. Fourth one is it is a terminal disease. In this, an addict may die due to any complication, but the factor which induces the complication itself is the abuse of drug. Next, we will see the types of drug abuses. Drug abuses are of the following types. First is too much. Taking too much of the drug at a time or taking too frequently can result in fatality. Like taking too much of sleeping pills has adverse effect on our body. Second is too long. A drug is said to be abused if taken over a long period of time, resulting in serious problems like pethidine. Third is wrong use. A drug is said to be abused if taken for a wrong reasons or without proper instructions. Fourth one is wrong combination. A drug is said to be abused if taken in a wrong combination with other drug. Fifth is wrong drug. Use of a drug like brown sugar which has no legitimate use itself is a drug abuse. Next we will see what are the reasons of drug abuse. Reasons for drug abuse are following. First is these are easy availability, curiosity, emotional pleasure, social or group pressures. Second one is it is more common among teenagers and abuse of multiple drugs is also increasing. Other risk factors for drug abuse are unemployment, broken home, parental deprivation, migration, working in drug stores, genetic predisposition, and etc. Next, we will see what are the identification of drug abusers. First is changes in academics like poor attendance at school or college and decline in academic performance. Second is physical changes like sweating at night, slurring of speech, loss of appetite, reddening of the eyes, unsteady gait, fresh injection sites, temper tantrums, and puffiness under eyes. Third is appearance of withdrawal symptoms like tremors, cramps, gastrointestinal symptoms, abdomen pain, sweating, and depression. Other changes that are the identification of drug abusers are blood stains on clothes, disappearance of articles from home. Addicts often sell articles to obtain money for drugs. Odor on breath and clothes, presence of needles, syringes, strange packets at home, presence of solitude, especially spending long time in the toilet. Next we will see what are the dependence producing drugs. International Classification of Diseases recognizes the following psychoactive drugs to be dependence producing. First is alcohol, second is opioids, third is cannabinoids, fourth one is sedatives or hypnotics, fifth one is cocaine, sixth one is stimulants, seventh one is hallucinogens, eighth one is tobacco, ninth is volatile solvents, and the 10th one is other psychoactive substances and drugs from different classes used in combination. Next we will see about alcohol. By pharmacological definition, alcohol is a drug and may be classified as a sedative, tranquilizer, hypnotic or anesthetic depending upon the quantity consumed. Of all the drugs, alcohol is the only drug whose self-induced intoxication is socially acceptable. Alcohol is rapidly absorbed from the stomach and small intestine. Worldwide, an estimated 2.3 million people die from alcohol-related causes. This is 3.7% of the all death, in which 6.1% among men and 1.1% among women. WHO has estimated that there are about 2 billion people worldwide who consume alcoholic beverages and 76.3 million with disorders arising out of harmful use of alcohol. In India, surveys showed that around 20 to 30% of adult males and around 5% of adult females use alcohol. Alcohol has a marked effect on the central nervous system. It is not a stimulant as long believed, but a primary and continuous depressant. Alcohol produces psychic dependence of varying degrees from mild to strong. Physical dependence develops slowly. According to current concepts, alcoholism is considered a disease and alcohol a disease agent, which causes acute and chronic intoxication, cirrhosis of the liver, toxic psychosis, gastritis, pancreatitis, cardiomyopathy, and peripheral neuropathy. Thank you for watching. Do like and share the video with your friends and batchmates and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section.